Let's see some stocks which we can trade tomorrow, that is 12th of May. The first stock in the list is Shriram Transport. Shriram Transport made three consecutive bearish candles with rejecting higher prices on daily time frame. If it manages to go beyond the low of Monday's session, I expect it to touch down the round number level of 700. So tomorrow we can look out for selling opportunity in the stock. The second stock in our list is an IIT Technologies. If you look at the daily time frame of the stock has broken out of its daily resistance. But if I open the stock in weekly time frame, you can see that the stock is below its weekly resistance. So two things could happen in this case. The stock might consolidate around this range, or if it manages to go past today's high, then I expect it to touch the levels of 1497 around that. So tomorrow could be a golden opportunity to take a trade on buy side in this stock. Third stock in our list is Mahanagar Gas Limited. In daily time frame, the stock is looking more bearish than bullish, indicated by sizable bearish candle accompanied by higher volume on the lower side. Moreover, the stock is finding a strong support level at around 859 on daily chart. If I access the stock in weekly chart, you can see that the stock was in uptrend for last 4 to 5 weeks. In the last week, it went into a consolidation phase indicated by a bearish candle, but in and the start of this week it made an inside candle. So what I expect is that if it manages to open beyond the high of today's session, it can go around the levels of 924 or so. So tomorrow could be a nice opportunity to take buy trade in this stock. The fourth and final stock in our list is State Bank of India. If you look at the daily chart of the stock, you can see that the stock is currently in consolidation phase, marked by small bearish candle and with more volume on the sell side as compared to buy side. If I access the stock in monthly time frame, you can see that it is just above its monthly support level of around 158 and 150. So if it can go beyond the low of today's session, I expect it to touch at least 150. If you want to know all the important levels in these four stocks, you can follow my Facebook page. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.